Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, Pakistan and her neighbors. Let's start with chapter number 8. Difficult words of chapter 8, Pakistan and her neighbors. Capital city, administrative center of a country. Interdependence, relationship, connection, confidence. OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Tehran, capital of Iran. Kabul, capital of Afghanistan. Beijing, capital of China. Delhi, capital of India. Islamabad, capital of Pakistan. Pakistan and her neighbors, chapter 8, come up at page 74, exercise question answers. Between which lines of latitude and longitude is Pakistan situated? Answer: Pakistan lies between 24 degree and 37 degree north and 61 degree and 76 degree east. Question 2. Name the countries that shares a border with Pakistan. Answer: Iran, Afghanistan, China and India share their borders with Pakistan. Question 3. Which country shares the longest border with Pakistan? Answer: Afghanistan shares the longest border, 2200 km, with Pakistan. Question 4. Which mountain range forms the border between China and Pakistan? Answer: the Karakoram range forms the border with China. Question 5. Where is the Gobi Desert situated? Answer: it is situated in China and Mongolia. Question 6. Which of Pakistan's neighboring countries has no coastline? Answer: Afghanistan does not have a coastline. Question 7. What is meant by interdependence? Answer: interdependence is the reliance or dependence of two or more individuals or countries on each other. Question 8. Why is there a need for interdependence? Answer: countries depend on one another for different reasons. The requirements and needs in the form of goods and services of one country can be met by purchasing these from another country. Students, as we were reading about chapter 8, Pakistan and her neighbors, come up at the work page number 75. Here are given three flags about three different countries. The first one is about Chinese flag, second one Iranian flag, and the third one is about Indian flag. Okay, complete these fact sheets about the neighboring countries of Pakistan. The very first country, capital, official languages, population, things grown or made here, famous leaders. Okay, you have to provide the information about these countries. The very first one is Chinese flag. Country name, People's Republic of China. Capital, Beijing. Official languages, Mandarin Chinese. Population, 1.34 billion people. Things grown or made here, rice, cotton, textile and many more. Famous leaders, Mao Zedong, Xiaoping, Deng Xiaoping. Number 2. Iranian flag. Country name, Islamic Republic of Iran. Capital, Tehran. Official languages, Farsi. Population, 70.5 million people. Things grown or made here, oil, gas, minerals, carpets, etc. Famous leaders, Raza Pahlavi, Ayatollah Khomeini. Number 3. Indian flag. Country name, India. Capital, Delhi. Official languages Hindi, English. Population 1.3 billion people. Things grown or made here: rice, cotton, silk, machinery, etc. Famous leaders: Mahatma Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru.